Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, okay, ladies, now let's get information. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, okay, ladies, now let's bounce.
Alright guys, so I'm coming to you with the part 2. The first video I posted was a look that me and Crystal picked for each other. This video is a look that we decided we would both do. We both kind of came up with different color variations. It's supposed to be like a pink look. Mine's is more like purple and gold because my pinks just were clashing into each other. So I said I'm gonna just have to take it into my own hands, and I came out with this. It's the part that makes it fun. We didn't know if it would come out right or not, but we just knew that we wanted to try something and see what we came up with. So this is what I came up with, and then you can check out her channel to see what she came up with. If you didn't see the first part of our challenge, go ahead and check out the last video. But if you're interested in this look, I want you to stay tuned. But before you do that, I want you to go down, hit the subscribe button, and join the notification gang so that you can be one of the first people to know when I upload a new video. Okay? I'm trying something new. I'm going to try to do a talk through because I'm just trying to find my niche and what I'm more comfortable with. Just bear with me in my next few videos until I figure out what works for me. And in the meantime, like I said, just stay tuned and just keep loving on me and showing support because I definitely appreciate it. I love you guys very much. I will see you in my next video. Out of the Zulu by Julia Bliss palette, this color here, we're going to just take that and we're going to just come under the brow bone. Okay, nothing heavy, just under the bottom, under the brow, right, like that. Then we take the purple. Then we're going to take this purple and we're going to just sweep that across. And when you're sweeping it, the sweeping motion, what I had to learn was the sweeping motion is going to help you to thin the color out. It will still be, your pigment will still be there, but if you really want to have pigment, you want to pack the color on. So we don't want that because we're using this as a transition color. So you want to sweep it across. The next thing we're going to take is our Juvia Place, the Nubian 2 by Juvia Place. We're going to go into this color called Jezebel. We're going to create, I don't really know what you call this, but we're just going to add a little deepness here by putting this also in the crease and darkening it up a little bit. Now we have that. We're going to stay in this Zulu palette. We're going to stay in the Zulu palette and we're going to touch Layla. That's this color right here. So we're going to just take her and we're just going to add a little more deepness there. A little more deepness. See that? Very pretty. Now what I'm going to do is take concealer. I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to create the cut crease. So I'm gonna just do it like that. Once again, I'm gonna come up Now we're gonna go into the It's My Ray Ray palette, the first one, and we're going to take this color down here called Radiant, and I think this color is so pretty. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to just pack it. And it's super pigmented, so you don't need to do too much. But you want to just pack it on like that. Oh, look at that. My eyes look different now. Shoot. Let me fix it. Hold on. Then, Layla's the main color. You're going to just kind of blend it up. And blend it in too, so it's not, you know, not too much, but just like that. You can go back over with the purple, so it's not too much. Alright. Oh my goodness, my hair is crazy. But I'm gonna wear my hair like this tomorrow because I'm going to the gym. Alright, anyway. Then I'm gonna go over my lower lash with the Jezebel color again. So what I did was cleaned up the bottom area, my lower lash line. I'm gonna go back in with the color Jezebel. And then I'm going to go back into the It's My Ray Ray palette. And I'm going to use the color Black Beauty. Okay. And I'm going to just line my lower lash line. Now I'm going to line my eye with my liner. I've lined my lash, I did everything, and now I need to put on my lashes. These are the lashes that I'm wearing today. I got these from eBay. I bought these from, oh my gosh, my camera keeps messing up. I bought these from eBay a while ago and they're really long, so what I do is I cut a corner off of each side. Okay? Now me personally, I prefer the clear lash glue because lately I find that putting on my lashes, I can make a mess with the black one. So, if you're a beginner with lashes, do not get the black glue, get the clear glue. Now the eyes are done. I'm going to do my face very lightly. I do not like to pack on makeup on camera or off camera. I'm going to do my face a little bit. I'm going to make sure I'm good, and then I'll come back to you with the finished look. So I'll see you shortly.